Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and open Google Chrome file location. Okay, now here we will get Chrome file. Right click on it and select on rename and name it as Chrome 1, and we need to create a shortcut on desktop. So follow these steps. Now close this window. Now go to search bar and type here cmd, run it as administrator, and now type these commands carefully to avoid mistakes. This command you will get in the description below. Just copy from there and paste it here. Execute all commands one by one. After that, close the command prompt. Again go to search bar and type here settings. Click here, go to network and internet, click on advanced settings, select network reset and click on reset now. Okay, now you need to restart your system and try to open your Google Chrome. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.